Good morning, children. Today we will discuss new topic, that is dispersal of seed. Dispersal means moving from one place to another place. So, in different plants, dispersal of seed take place through different types of agents. Okay, and these agents are natural or man-made. In some cases, the seeds are dispersed through natural way, and in some cases, the seeds are dispersed by human beings or animals. So, today we are going to discuss the different methods, different way how the seeds disperse from one place to another place. And this is very much important because with this process, the plant of different places can grow into different places, and the plants can grow in such a place where we can't just imagine. Children, you might have seen some of the plants growing at the rooftop of your house, or some plants may grow on the wall. No one has sown any seed there. किसी ने भी वहाँ पर कोई सीड नहीं डाला, फिर क्यों वो प्लांट उस जगह ग्रो किया? क्या आपने ये कभी सोचा? आप कैसे ये समझ सकते हैं कि वहाँ पर ये प्लांट ग्रो भी कर सकता है? ये कैसे हुआ? सो दैट इज ड्यू टू द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड विथ डिफरेंट reason, different factors, different components of nature is there through which the seed disperse and the plant grows at those places where we can't just imagine. So the different agents of seed dispersal are wind, water, human being, animals, and scattering and bursting. So we will discuss all these ways of seed dispersal one by one. Okay? So children, you might have seen some seeds are flowing with air. कभी आप लोगों ने ज़रूर देखा होगा. In case of madar and cotton, these can be seen. These seeds are having hairs and the seeds are very lightweight. So when the fruits burst, what happens? The seeds flow with air, and time and there the seeds may have some situation, may fall into the on the soil, and where it gets favorable condition and a plant can grow there. So this is known as dispersal of seed through air. In case of this type of seeds, the seeds are very light and they may flow with wind. They may reach to a place where they can get soil and some favorable condition, and a new plant grows there. In some plants, the seeds disperse through water. You know, coconut is a plant which grow near water bodies, coastal areas, which are known as coastal areas. And what happens actually? The coconut fall into the water, and the coconut flow with water and reach to the place where it can grow into a new plant. So in this type of plant, the seeds are dispersed. The seed is dispersing through water. So this is the example of dispersal of seed through water. Now in some cases, the seeds are dispersed by animals. Like in case of castor, it has spiny surface. इसके जो surface होता है ना, outer surface होता है, उसमें spines होते हैं. तो क्या होता है, जब कोई भी जानवर उस पेड़ के थ्रू होके जाता है इधर या उधर, तो what happens actually, the seeds get stuck to the hair of these animals and they may fall anywhere. कहीं पर भी जब वो जानवर उछल रहा है, कूद रहा है, दौड़ रहा है, the seeds may fall there, and if the seed gets favorable condition, a plant can grow there. So this is the way how seed is dispersing, and this is known as dispersal of seeds through animals. In case of birds also, they may disperse seed through their excreta. What happens actually? The birds just eat the seeds of different grains like, and what, or fruits. They may eat the fruit, and with the fruit they eat the seeds also. And when they excrete, with the excreta, the seeds may come out, and the seeds may fall on the soil where it may give favorable condition, and a plant can grow there. So this is the way how seed are dispersing. Not only these are the ways, but human being also. Human being also plays an important role of dispersal of seed. Like in case of mango, as you can see there. In case of mango, what happens actually? The human being, they eat mangoes and they throw the seeds of mango here and there. And if the seeds get favorable condition, what are the favorable condition? Soil, warmth, moisture. If the seed gets that condition, it may grow into a new plant. You have seen that the plants of sapling, very small baby plants of mango here and there on the way you are going to school or anywhere. You might have seen where the wastage are collected. कहीं पर ऐसी जगह जरूर होगा जहाँ पर आपके घर के आसपास में कूड़ा कचरा फेंका जाता है. यू माइट हैव सीन सैपलिंग्स ऑफ मैंगो प्लांट. कैसे वहाँ पर आया वो सैपलिंग? थ्रू द ह्यूमन बीइंग. ह्यूमन बीइंग ईट्स मैंगो and what they do? They just throw the seeds, and the seeds gets favorable condition, and that a plant grows there. So this is the way how seeds are dispersing through human beings. Now one more way is there, that is bursting and scattering. In case of pea, in case of ladyfinger and other plants, what happens when the fruits get matured? What happens? It bursts itself. कोई नहीं होता है, खुद ब खुद नेचुरली. ये जो फ्रूट्स है ना, ये जब मैच्योर हो जाते हैं पूरी तरह से, तो क्या होता है? ये फट जाते हैं, क्रैक करते हैं, बर्स्ट कर जाते हैं. और क्या होता है? जो उसमें सीड होता है ना, वो बहुत दूर तक फैल जाता है. और वहाँ पर अगर इन सीड्स को कंडीशन मिल जाता है, तो द सीड्स ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट्स. सो you have seen in different plants how the seeds are dispersing through different agents. The agents may be natural or man-made or animals also, but the seeds disperse from one place to another place and grows into a plant. And this is very much common in our house also. We visit anywhere and we bring the seeds of different types of plants to our house, and we may get that type of plant in our house also. So this is the way how seeds disperse from one place to another place, and if the seeds get favorable condition, they may grow into a new plant. So this is the dispersal of seed which we have to discuss and which we have understood in a very nice way. So for today, that's all. Next day we will discuss different things. So for that, till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.